Yes, we're here with another video. Want to introduce some styling to you guys, styling techniques and style options. Styling. Hey guys, it's Candace O with Candace O Hair Artistry here, where we make short hair simple. So today we're going to go through a styling video. The whole purpose of me doing this styling video is because for stylists, it's very important for you to have a style Rolodex. And what a style Rolodex is a variety of styling options for your client. Your client wants to look different every time she gets out of your chair. She does, okay? That's going to help you with your client retention when you make that woman look different every time she gets out your chair. I'm telling you, it is going to change your business. So today we're going to go over a wave pin curl style, and I hope you enjoy the video, and it's coming right up. All right, here we are with the mold. We did a wave mold because once again this is a wave hairstyle on short hair, and we're going to do some pin curls for the finished look. I love molding the hair while it's wet. That's going to ensure a lot of memory for the hair. So when it drops, it's going to drop with that wave pattern in it. Right now, I'm just putting on some sheen. I love to make sure I have some type of cream press or curling wax, depending on the texture of the hair, to actually put on the hair to impart shine into the hair when I'm flat ironing it. And once we got all that done, here we are with the pin curls. We placed those pin curls in there really nice. Nice and smooth. And when I was curling, I thought about how it was going to fall. So when you're curling hairstylist, you want to think about how it's going to fall, so that way it's a good look for the client during the week, and they're not like trying to fight with the curls going different ways and all that other stuff. I don't really use a comb that much to comb out my hair unless it's like really short. When I'm doing textured styles like this, or styles that I consider like elegant styles, which are like pin curls, wave styles, dry waves, and different things like that, and curls, I like to kind of just really place the curls so that way I can keep the volume in the hair, and as it drops, it just really drops really nice as the days go by. I didn't want a part in her hair, and neither did she, so we are closing up that part. I'm just still placing the curls, closing up the part in the center of her head. Let me know if you have any questions below concerning this hairstyle. It's really good for parties, weddings. It can be an everyday look as well. And she can pin curl this back herself at night whenever she gets ready to go to sleep. So it's a really good style to have. And you have to have a significant amount of length, like a heavy bang, in order to achieve this look properly. I know sometimes sometimes clients want things and they don't have enough length for it, or they don't have the right texture. That makes a difference in how the hair is actually going to look from client to client. So we're just giving you a view of the curl formation. And I'm just putting some hairspray on there now. I don't really like to use spritz for these type of styles because I like for it to look soft. And when it drops, they need to be able to run their hands through it or place the curls, and it needs to be soft. But she does have a couple, see those curls in the front that's kind of springing out from on her forehead. We're going to use a little bit of spritz for that to make those ends of those curls stick. So I'm just spraying that right now, and then I'm going to come in with my taped up blow dryer and just diffuse those curls right into place, those ends. There we are. Look at there. They're not poking out anymore. Styling is just, like I said at the beginning of this video, it's a big deal. You want to be able to be versatile in your styling options for your clients. I know you want a different look whenever you go to your hairstylist and pay your money weekly or bi-weekly. You don't want to look the same way. So here's the style in its finished form. I'm going to show you all different angles. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, do me a favor, subscribe, and we'll be doing more looks and more styling.